You kill a mockingbird. Scout. Dill. Jim. Atticus. Tom. Boo. At school. Hello, I'm your new teacher, Mrs. Lame. I will teach you stuff for the rest of the year. Yay! What are you doing? I'm writing some stuff down. You can't write yet. Stop it. A little later in class. Hey, what are you doing? I'm just reading a book. You can't read. Stop that. Later at lunch. Lunchtime, everyone take out your lunches. Hey kid, where's your lunch? I ain't got no daggum lunch, Miss Teacher Lady. Do you want some money to go buy some? No, I don't. Why can't I give you my money? Because he's too poor to pay it back. He is poor. Shut up, you're in trouble now. Later outside. That's the poor kid who got me in trouble. I will go beat him up now. Run, 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 run. I want to kill you. If only I could see you coming. No, don't do that. Punch out, out, punch out, out, punch out. Hey, stop. No, you gotta be nice. Yeah, you wanna go to lunch with us? Oh, okay. School year is over. Gil, you back for the summer. Let's play the Boo Radley game. You can't leave that man alone. Sorry. We're going to the Radleys. I'm not going. Knock, knock, ding dong, ding dong, knock, knock, ding dong. Pow. Bam. My pants are stuck on this fence while I'm running away. Oh, off they go. Keep running, I'll be there soon. I'm Dill and it's snowing for the first time ever. I'm a snowman. I think I'll name him Ralph. Help, fire. I have a blanket you could use. I'm defending a black man. No. That dog has rabies. I want to shoot it. Bark, 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 bark. Bam. Pow. And the dog died from getting shot. He could not have punched that girl because his arm is too hurt. My arm is very hurt. We're a race jury. I will confess, it was my daddy. You're guilty of raping a little white girl. Maybe I can escape from here. No, you can't. Pow, 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 bang. What was your play about anyways? Sandwiches? I will kill you. I'm protected with my costume. Pow, pow, bam, 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 pow, dilly style. Pow, bam, bam, pow, ouch, what was that? Here I go. I'm Boo Radley. Guess Boo Radley was a good person after all.
What we've got here is failure to communicate. Some men you just can't reach. So you get what we had here last week, which is the way he wants it. Well, he